What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a great day as always. Today I've got a pretty cool one. A company called 7 Slot Supply sent me over a Jeep themed subscription box. Today we're going to unbox it, show you guys what we got, and show you guys what I think of it. I'll give you guys my final opinion at the very end, but let's go ahead and toss this box down on the workbench and I'll show you guys what's inside. So every box comes with a different t-shirt. This month's t-shirt design is pretty cool. It's a US flag with a Jeep crawling in the corner. And then on the sleeve here, you have another US flag. I do actually like this design, and this is a shirt that I would wear. Then this next product is a really cool one. So this one is automatic tire deflators. You just set them to what PSI you want your tires to air down to, and it comes with 4 of them in the bag. You screw them on your valve temps and it automatically airs down and stops at the PSI you set it to. These are like $50 online, so this is actually really cool to have inside of this box. Then we have a Jeep Hot Wheels. These things are always cool. I don't know about you guys, but I always check the Hot Wheels section when I go to the store and buy all the Jeeps, so that is pretty cool. And then we have a set of amber light pods. These will look really good on the black Grand Cherokee, I think. This is probably what we'll do with these, is toss them on. They come with brackets and everything like that. But another very cool item to come in a subscription box. And then we have a few smaller items in the bottom here, but still cool items. So we got some grip clean. I've used this stuff in the past. It works really, really well. It's kind of like the Fast Orange stuff, similar to that. Hand soap for after the garage. And then we got 2 screwdrivers. I do enjoy having extra screwdrivers and extra just tools laying around in the toolbox. Always come in handy. One thing I did actually really like about this subscription box is at checkout you answer a few questions. They're pretty simple, like what year, make, and model your vehicle is, what type of off-roading you do, are you rock crawling, overlanding, mostly daily driver, those type of things, and their team uses those answers to build the perfect box for you. I've got similar boxes in the past and they've been filled with junk and all kinds of stuff like that, and I just wasn't a fan of it. However, this one actually came with stuff I will use, which I'm a big fan of. If you guys want to pick up one for yourselves, you guys can use code ROCKY. They've given me a custom promo code for you guys. It'll save you guys 50% off your first box. As always, I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.